Hello friends, I'm Ehsan from ebangaloreproperty.com. This is Comfy Home 9, located in JP Nagar BDA layout, fully developed location. Very unique and rare design. It has 30 feet wide frontage. So every room is facing towards the road. It is as good as a natural corner property. So ground floor has 2 car parking. There is a common toilet, UPS inverter provision as well as LPG gas cylinder provision. Secured behind setback space is left, and this is a grand entrance with complete wall cladding. The staircase inside outside has anti-skid Lapotra finished granite flooring, all teakwood doors and windows, very premium construction. This is Comfy Home 9. So east facing main door, designer teakwood door is given. 4 bedroom, 4 bathrooms in this house, single family house. This is puja room, east and west orientation, made out of teakwood, glass door, LED lighting is given in the ceiling. Very modern interiors compared to other houses in this category. So this is living room. LED lighting and POP false ceiling work is done. Large French window is given in the living room for ventilation. Behind this large size plots are located, so good space will be there between the two properties. This is kitchen in the southeast corner. Full modular kitchen with soft closing baskets. Sink here, fiber coated sink. All Jaguar brand sanitary fittings. Next to kitchen there is a utility space. This is a small utility below the steps. Fridge provision is there. And this is living room. Modern choice of color laminates. So this is living room. Behind the living there is a bathroom also. I'll show you. And this is the first bedroom with wardrobe, sliding door, loft. This room is smaller. Other 3 rooms are really big, like 10.5 by 14, 11 by 13.5. Large size bedrooms. Behind the TV unit you can see hand wash basin. This is hand wash basin, all Jaguar brand, and this is a common bathroom. Wall mounted toilet, shower, hand wash basin. Earlier this video we had posted when it was still under construction. Now that this house is fully ready, you can see the complete house now. Only the final cleaning is pending. Final coat of painting and cleaning is pending now. With this door, the secret door I can say, the bathroom is completely hidden. So on this floor you saw living, dining, kitchen, puja room, utility, bedroom and common bathroom. Now we'll go to the next floor. Even this staircase inside also has anti-skid Lapotra granite anti-skid flooring. We have reached the second floor. This is a study in the center, in between 2 rooms. Very good doors. This is master bedroom in the southwest corner. Totally 3 rooms are there in the southwest corner. House is planned as per Vastu. Spacious room with a TV unit, dressing, storage, all double laminates. And this side wardrobe, sliding door, soft closing. Good quality door locks. And behind this door, attached bathroom. Shower head, diverter, toilet and hand wash basin. About the location, this property comes close to Royal Meenakshi Mall. From Banagatta Road as well as Kanakpura Road, well connected location. From Brigade Millennium about 3.5 kilometers away. It's a BDA layout, BDA site. It has its own borewell as well as Kaveri water. And this is the third bedroom. Wardrobe and TV unit, dressing, attached bathroom. As I told you, all the rooms have window towards the road because of the 30 feet wide frontage. Compared to 2030 property, this is much better option. So this is the bathroom. Now we'll go to the next floor, top floor, third floor. Totally 2200 square feet of super built up area. 2-car parking, multiple 2-wheeler parking. It's a complete deal, independent house. Now we have reached the third floor. Third floor has another master bedroom with attached bathroom. Same dressing, TV unit and wardrobes. POP false ceiling, LED lighting. It's all standard feature throughout this house. There is also beautiful terrace covered with canopy. On this side you can have, if you want, you can have another study here. Space is there, and these are the acrylic fiber pillars along with stainless steel for the railing work. For security, iron door. Laundry space, washing store, anti-skid flooring, ladder for further terrace above, and you can see Mangalore tiles are there, canopy. So this was Comfy Home 9, very rare design, independent house in JP Nagar. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.